Hey guys, what's up? Mike Locke here. Thanks for tuning into this video blog. In this video, I just really want to talk about getting yourself job ready. Giving you some inspiration, some motivation on getting yourself job ready and just being prepared for when those opportunities come. You can be putting yourself or be planting seeds and have put yourself in a really strong position to take advantage of those job opportunities that will come at certain times. Like, for example, right now, what I'm thinking about is the summer's here, or it's about to start. It's warm weather. People are going to be taking a lot of breaks. Moving away from your computer, getting outside, spending times at the beach, family, friends, movies, and just enjoying the summertime. School's out for a lot of the youngins and things like that. So I think that's good. For me, yeah, I like to get away too. I don't grind as often as I did before. My kids are taking a lot of my time, so I do spend a lot of time away from the computer too. I enjoy it. But having said that, I'm always planting seeds for when those opportunities come. And by planting seeds, what I mean is continuously prepare yourself, look at your portfolio, look at your resume, and see where you can improve. I always say, for aspiring web designers, folks that want to get into UI, UX design, you're constantly needing to always be improving your portfolio. Okay, no question. Not necessarily your portfolio site, but the projects that you have. If you have 5 projects, you need to be working on that 6th one. If you have 10 projects, you need to be working on that 11th one. Okay, if you have 0 projects, obviously work on getting that first project out there. And projects, I mean personal projects that you can conceptualize from scratch, come up with an idea and place it and design it and put it on your portfolio to show potential recruiters, job managers, etc. Recently, I just saw a few weeks ago, I tweeted out this product page. This designer designed this product page, which I'll show here, using a potato as the actual product. A designer designed a landing page using a potato as the featured product, which is really creative. It was very inspirational. It just goes to show you that you can design a personal project based on anything. And this particular designer took a potato and concepted out a product page, features, pricing, information, testimonials based on a project, and really showed all his skills: visual UI design skills, conceptual thinking, and content marketing and things like that. So it was very inspirational. So my thing is take things like that as inspiration and start focusing on working on personal projects through the summer. What I mean by planting seeds is enjoy your time. This is my point. Enjoy your time throughout the summer, but plant your seeds. Spend an hour here, an hour there, and start planting seeds, working on these projects. Why? Because in the fall, like around October, November, December, that's when companies do a lot of their hiring. Why? Because they have their budget set for the new year, and so they'll be ramping up their hiring. Whereas in the summer, a lot of companies aren't hiring as much. Okay, you'll notice at the end, around November, December, companies will be looking to hire for the new year. So I say, take this opportunity to plant seeds and get yourself job ready. What you can do is, obviously, think of a concept, work on a personal project, create a personal project, design it right for your portfolio site. Outside of that, and the reason why you're doing that is, 1, to show your visual UI design skills, show eye candy, get recruiters and hiring managers excited about the visual designs that you can do. But 2, showing your ability to conceptualize. Okay, hiring managers love that, recruiters love that, because it shows your ability to, as a self leader, someone that doesn't need to be managed all the time, someone that can come up with ideas and propose new concepts. Just coming up with the project on your own, concepting out, designing it all out, shows really a lot to potential companies and things like that. Outside of all that, how do you get job ready outside of just showcasing really nice work on your website? One thing you can do is go to prepare yourself, go to like Indeed.com, like a job board, and look at the job descriptions and some of the requirements and skills that these companies are looking for, And what you can do is learn from that. Look down the list and itemize things that you don't really have right now, and go out there and start studying those things. Like for example, I have my computer here. I just want to read this one. Like I just went to one random job description for a senior, or for for a UI UX designer. Some of the skills that it talks about here is okay, under the skills that's required or this company is looking for. Skills, expertise with UI design patterns and standard user-centered design methodologies. So it says expertise in UI design patterns. Like you probably are like, okay, what's that? All you do is go to Google and just type in UI design patterns, okay, and get familiar with that. And an understanding of user-centered design methods, okay? Just go to Google and type in user-centered design methodologies, and it will show you there. And what you do is just read it and learn it and soak it all in and get prepared for when these questions are asked. You can talk about them with some intelligence and whatnot. Okay, the other one is demonstrated custom designs that show creativity from scratch beyond simply applying third-party templates to design. So this is saying they want to see examples in your portfolio that are concepts that you've designed that are creative, that aren't just WordPress templates. Okay, so if you have WordPress templates, this particular company is a good idea to build something from scratch that is your design, that is all you. All right. The other one's like interaction design, interaction in UX design. If you don't know what that means, type it in. What is interaction design? Rapid prototyping and wireframing. I teach this in my training course. Rapid prototyping with Adobe Fireworks and wireframing. I teach all that. So if you don't know what that is, Google it. What is rapid prototyping and how do you do it? Sorry about the plane, I'm in my car. The other one is familiarity with Agile Design or Agile Scrum development process. Now we do this obviously in corporate environments and things like that. I have a lot of experience with Agile Scrum development process. I never talked about it, but if you don't know what that is, just Google it. Agile Scrum process, and people will have videos on YouTube and you can learn from it. All right. So, and other ones, be a great team player and excellent communication skills, things like that. But this is just an example. Go through these job descriptions, look at the skills that these companies are looking for, and start picking away. Take 1 week to study each one of these things. So like, for example, rapid prototyping and wireframing, just take a week and start studying that and make sure you have a good base understanding of what that is. Take the next week and learn about user-centered design standards and methods. Okay, and like I said, it's not that you need to know all these things. Maybe you don't, but Google them, and then you do. In a week or two from that point, after you Google them, you should have enough literature, enough blog posts, enough articles on the web for you to get familiar with those. And then if you do this little by little throughout the summer, when the fall comes, October, November, you have been working on personal projects, you've been studying all this stuff, you've been watching my videos, and I'm giving you tips here and there, and you're getting more prepared. So when those jobs do come, those opportunities do come, that you're ready for them. When those recruiters reach out to you, or you're ready to start applying for all these jobs, you're now more confident and have a more understanding of a lot of these skills, and your resume is built up, your portfolio site's built up, you have more value, and you feel confident, and you're ready to really attack the world, so to speak, and increase and grow as a professional. All right, so that's my tip in this video, guys. These are some good ways for you to kind of get job ready and add more value to what you do. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the things that I talk about, like my videos, please leave me a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, and as always, visit my website, mlwebco.com, learn more about my web design training course and all the other things that I do. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon. Peace.